What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, 7:07 a.m.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
And it is day 3 of these vlogs. And so, kind of just to go over yesterday, I hope you guys enjoyed that vlog for sure, for one. But yesterday I had overall on here, I used my Fitness Pal. So it's saying 1021 total calories for food. So that's what we ate yesterday. So I'm go ahead and break down a little bit of what was eaten. So for breakfast, I had 3 boiled eggs and I had strawberries. So the boiled eggs, 234 calories, strawberries, 73 calories. And then for lunch, I had chicken breast, grilled chicken breast, and broccoli. So the chicken breast was 299 calories, broccoli 55 calories, and then the snack I had was some pork skins, which was 360 calories. I want to make sure that I'm tracking everything so I don't cheat myself. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday I got done with practice, came home, or went and got my kids from my mom's house, came home, and I was definitely hungry, but it was already like 9:30, so I was like, just go to bed and don't think about it. At this point, I think it's like mind over matter. So I'm used to like intaking and digesting like probably 2,500 to 3,000 calories, if not more. For me, I'd say that lately, like sugared drinks haven't been a big thing. For me, like a battle. But it's just a lot of carbs. Carbs is what is really high caloric and not really good for my diet, which is a lot of what I eat. So we like a lot of bread, noodles, and for me the hardest thing to cut out right now, because I have it with like almost every meal, and I know in moderation it's okay, but I don't have moderation when it comes to rice. I love rice. Rice is delicious, and that is the biggest carb that I'm missing right now, I think. But now, I'm trying to count, not trying, now counting calories and stuff like that. You really are cautious of what you eat. So I am going to continue to track what I eat and continue to persist in this. This is day 3. I don't know what I'm going to do with the gym today. I kind of want to lift biceps, but my back and my arms are shot. So it's either going to be back or it's going to be legs. I'm not a big fan of leg day, especially in the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. I play tonight at church for service. And then also we still have 3 more days in the shop. So I don't want to be walking around crazy at the shop, but it is what it is. We'll see what we do when we get to the gym, see what we're lifting. But I got to get these kids to school. It is 7:13 a.m. And I need to get to the gym. So with that being said, let's get to the gym. Got water, got my AirPods. One of the worst things that you can do is forget your whatever earphones you use to go to the gym, and then get to the gym and realize you don't have them. That's one of the worst things ever. But I'm not going to forget them. I put them on the charger last night. We got them. And another side note is, like, I know of a lot of people, they say they lose AirPods all the time. I've had these AirPods for a very long time. I think it's like the first generation of AirPods, and I still got them. So let's get to the gym, guys. Enough rambling. Got at the gym today. I didn't record much. I recorded just a little snippet of me doing preacher curls because there wasn't really a lot of places to put my phone, and I'm not gonna lug a tripod or a stand to the gym yet. still uncomfortable shooting there. But today I didn't end up doing legs. I ended up doing biceps, just concentrating on that muscle group. And then I did 20 minutes of cardio. So for the biceps, I did incline curls. I did 4 sets of that. Next, I did preacher curls, did 4 sets of preacher curls. After that, I did cross body curls with the dumbbells. And then I did like a cable curl, concentrating on just one arm at a time. And then after that, I ended it with a wide grip curl using the barbell. So that was my workout today. Then did 20 minutes of cardio to top it off. I'm tired, very tired. Like I said, legs in the middle of the week is like crazy to me because I don't want to walk all wild. I think I'd rather do legs like on Friday or maybe even Saturday. That way, on my weekend, I'm not walking crazy. I mean, I'm not walking crazy in the shop because it'll be my weekend. But anyways, we're gonna get to the shop. I got a full day today. I think I have like 9 appointments today. So I'm gonna go and knock all those out. Don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. Yesterday was a blessing because my wife was already up when I got home, and then so she made breakfast. So today, I think it's like 8:50, 55 or something right now. Get home, shower, and then try to get something to eat. I'm very hungry. But I don't want to get too overconfident. But right now, I feel good. I don't feel like, I mean, of course you've got soreness from the gym and stuff, but I don't feel like super, super depleted. But maybe that's just a mental thing. I don't know. Maybe I'm just really set on trying to get this done. I have no idea. But I feel all right now. But I'm going to get home, get something to eat, go to the shop. I'm trying to think of I don't know. We went shopping the other day. We bought groceries, we bought ground beef, we bought chicken breast tenderloin, spinach, broccoli, strawberries. And I'm just trying to keep it real basic. But if you guys have any ideas out there about something low caloric but high in protein, low carb, like almost no carb, let me know in the comment section. I know there's a lot of people that I've been keeping up, not getting a lot of views on it, like my haircut videos, which is understood because it's something completely different. But I appreciate everybody who's been, tapping in and watching the vlog thus far. But maybe in today's vlog, I'm not going to end it here. Let's go ahead and record some haircuts so you guys can kind of see something other than just the gym stuff. But this is the main purpose of this vlog, is just a daily documentation of what's going on. So hope you guys have been interested and locked in. I think somebody had commented on yesterday's video that they liked the barber versus the belly, but I went with the shape up, a 30-day weight loss challenge. Because I thought a witty play on, an edge up, a shape up, something barber related, but also, getting in shape or trying to get in shape at that. So I thought that was a clever anecdote. Let's get to the shop and show you guys some real shape ups. I ain't gonna front, messed up my omelet, but this looks bomb. Scrambled eggs, spinach, and strawberries. Was supposed to be an omelet, but we messed that up. So a lot of guys didn't record anything at the shop today. Just been busy, been back to back all day. It is 3:34. I thought I'd come home
and make some lunch real quick. Or dinner. I think this is dinner. Probably dinner. It's probably dinner. But I want to make some ground beef and eggs. I'm hungry. Got to the shop at what? 10 this morning. So I've been there for 5 hours, and I think I did like 6 haircuts. Got one more, and then we got church tonight. But yeah, ground beef. Stove is on. Let's make some ground beef and eggs real quick. Didn't end up making eggs, but we got broccoli and ground beef. 8 ounces of ground beef and a cup of broccoli. So this should suffice my hunger for the moment until I think I have enough calories for one more meal. So we'll see, but this is gonna be good.
What's good, y'all? Just got out of church, so that'll do it for today's vlog. Didn't really include much extracurricular stuff like I wish I could have. I did not have time to record in the shop like I thought I would. I had a couple clients late, and then I was catching up the rest of the day. But you guys got to see some of the meals. I'm gonna eat one more meal today, and that is some chicken tenderloin. My wife is cooking that right now in the skillet, or in the, I don't even know what to call that. It's a pan, and it's gonna be with dry chupacabra seasoning. If you haven't tried it before, I highly suggest you go try it. I think I've seen it at Walmart. We usually get it at HEB when we go. Yeah, but tomorrow's a new day, day 4. Under 1,500 calories. I'll be honest, I think today I am gonna go a little bit over 1,500, but I think that's still a good day in my opinion. Went to the gym, stayed in the caloric deficit. Day 4, from what I've been told, is the guys are gonna do legs tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna join them or not yet, but we'll see. We'll see. But let's get to it. Thank you guys for tuning in to this vlog once again. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notifications. Stay tuned. We got, what's today? 33. We got 27 more videos. Stay locked in.